These are my blue parrotfish. They call them ice blue. It's a mix between a convict and a blood parrot. I have 5 of them. I think one of them may have laid eggs in the alligator skull, because they're in there all the time. This tank I also have a bunch of tiger barbs. Regular ones, long fin ones, green ones. And then I have a female convict, and I'm pretty sure she has eggs in that ship, because she's chasing everyone away and then she goes in there. Sorry my tank is so dirty. But my blood parrot has been hiding under there, so I think she's been beating them up because she has eggs. Yeah, tiger barbs. I have like 15 of them in there, I think. And I got a bunch of cory cats. Some green jade ones. A couple albino ones. Thanks for watching.